Hello, my name is Keith Sampson, and I have the unique privilege of being a speaker and workshop facilitator at this year's Inspire Conference in Clearwater, Florida. RSPA is putting together an incredible event built around executives to give you thought leadership and a bunch of content to help you go out and run a better organization. I'm going to be speaking on customer experience. Specifically, my session is called Create an Incredible Customer Experience or Die. Now, I know you may be thinking, Keith, that sounds a little extreme. Well, you see, even before COVID, tens of thousands of businesses every single year are closing their doors. From what I feel, oftentimes is a lack of delivering an incredible customer experience. In my talk, we will talk and I will challenge you on what exactly should make up the core of your business. And then I'm going to give you 3 critical pillars on how to help build an incredible customer experience for your company, and then how to take those 3 pillars and put them in place to help your customers provide a better customer experience. Then we're going to break off and we're going to have a workshop where I'm going to take those 3 pillars and we're going to go through different sections. I'm going to ask questions, facilitate conversation, and ultimately I'm going to make sure that every single person that attends my talk and the workshop will walk away with value, ideas, and inspiration that you'll be able to take back to your organization and deliver some results. I want Create an Incredible Customer Experience or Die to be the single best session you attend at Inspire and make the whole trip worthwhile. So if you haven't registered yet, please do so, and I'll see you in Florida in January.